My name is Darren from HTJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of a great conversation with Karen. Karen, could you please introduce yourself?
Hey Darren, thank you so much. My name is Karan Thabrani. I have my own law firm here in the UAE, Chakra Legal and Corporate Services. I am an Indian qualified lawyer, and I was born and brought up in Dubai. I grew up in India, and then I came back to Dubai. So I've been in Dubai for a while to know the areas of work. I am a DIFC qualified lawyer, and with will registrations, one of the jurisdictions to register is DIFC. And with this DIFC registration, that enables me to help clients get their will registered in the DIFC.
So this is another instrument that's often kind of confused with wills, power of attorneys. Could you talk us through how that works here in the UAE? What's the difference? And perhaps in what circumstances would it be a more appropriate instrument?
So a power of attorney document is something which people confuse with the will. Some of them think it's mandatory to have power of attorney registered because when they've passed away, the executor needs a power of attorney and they need to use the same power of attorney to go to the court. But that's not correct. A power of attorney is a document that's used during the lifetime of both the parties, the person giving power to the person receiving the power. And as soon as one of the parties has passed away, the power of attorney becomes invalidated, and that's when the will comes in. So, a power of attorney is used during lifetime, and the main situations it turns out to be very useful, at least in the UAE, is when, let's say, one of the parties is traveling, or if they've had a really bad accident and they're in the hospital, they cannot move, or if they have some form of mental incapacity. So this is when the registered power of attorney in the court really comes in to help. And as I said, once the person has passed away, the POA is invalidated, and that's when the will comes in.
Okay, thank you very much for that. And Karen, if people want to get in touch with you and find out more about your services, what's the best way to find you?
The best way to find me would be through my website. So that's chakralegal.ae. That's CHAKRA, chakralegal.ae, or my email, karan@chakralegal.ae.
Fantastic.